Excuse me. I can lay out better over here. Well, we're starting to move now. I'm talking to the camera. We go to Disney boat. Somewhat, don't know why, but the Carnival Fantasy spewing out smoke. But we're moving now. Very slowly, but we're moving. Oh no, they be going backwards then. Y'all looking like, ooh, pretty. Bye, Disney Wonder. Supposed to be a Disney boat. Why I see a whole bunch of adults on it? I see a whole bunch of adults on the Disney boat. What's going on? Come on, blow your horns. I can catch us on video. Oh, look at the pool in the front. Got a pool up there. Whoa, it's me got clouded by the storm. I hope not. Shut up.
30% chance.
Oh, that's very small, man. Oh, people on the Fantasy looking at us too. That's the Fantasy right there, and that's the Disney Wonder. For whoever don't know. Bye, people. Woo! That was cool. Dang, feel it. Come on, Fascination blow back. There we go. It's a horn battle. We're having a horn battle. That's so cool. Come on, Disney. What, you're gonna beast on us now? What y'all got? Uh-oh. That's a little punt. Come on, Disney. Y'all gonna do my famous horn? Blow it. Whoa. That was extremely loud. Oh, look at the anchor right there. See it? Come on, Disney. Y'all ain't gonna do it? Oh, that little mini horn battle wasn't as big as the other ones.
Did we get here before Fantasy then?
Huh?
Did we get here before Fantasy then?
I'm sorry, I can hear you.
Did we get here before Fantasy then?
No. Fantasy was here first, then we came, then the Disney boat came. It still looks nice. Well, we'll go Nassau, Bahamas. Some nice boats right there. Okay, like about to rain now. Look at those clouds. Bye bye, boats. Hope to see y'all again.